This Century 21 Purdum-Epperson Incorporated property video is presented by Paula Knight. What a unique property, 4 bedrooms or up to 6, your choice. How to use rooms, 4.5 baths, large shady wooded backyard. Main floor has foyer, piano/office room, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, large living/dining area, appealing fireplace and French door, access to covered patio area with ceiling fan and electrical outlet, great kitchen with island, desk area, dining area, large pantry, generous cabinetry, nice newer appliances. Laundry room with newer washer and dryer and half bath complete the main floor. Upstairs offers large master bedroom/suite with vaulted ceiling, second bedroom or craft/office room, full bath, lots of closets. Walkout basement, newer vinyl plank flooring, spacious family/recreation room, fireplace, recreational room/bedroom, nice rebuilt bath with walk-in shower, storage room and another multi-purpose area or bedroom. 2-car garage with shelving, overhead and side storage space. Newer outdoor shed, carport and gravel. Ameren gas/electric budget billing $205.